Before you start creating a design, you will probably want to import an image to digitize. To do this, click on the Create menu, then click on Import Image. An open window will appear allowing you to open an image to digitize. Embroidery Studio can open a variety of image formats. Select the one that your image is in or select All Graphic Files. Locate the image you want to digitize. To resize the image to the proper size for embroidery, click the Small Dimensions button toward the bottom of the window. This will open a separate window allowing you to set the overall dimensions of the image. Type in the value for either the height or the width of the image. The other value is automatically changed to the proportionate value. Then click OK to set the size. Click OK to open the image for digitizing. Embroidery Studio gives you the option to create your own simple artwork or to make basic modifications to existing artwork right from the program. To create a new image, click on the Create menu and select New Bitmap. To modify an existing image, first import the image and then click on Draw Package under the Create menu. These steps will take you to the drawing program where you can draw new shapes, add text, and change the color of the image. You can even enhance and reduce the colors in an image by using the processing tools. When you are finished with your image, click the X to close this window. You will be asked if you want to save your changes. Click Yes to save this image in place of your original artwork, or No, just to use the Modify image only while digitizing. The newly edited image will now be placed on the screen, ready to be digitized. Start digitizing by clicking on the Digitizing button on the top toolbar. To change to a different color, click the Color button on the top toolbar and use the color mixer to choose your color. To do this, pick the color from the palette on the left side and then the proper shade on the right side. You can also sample the color directly from the image on the screen. Click OK to set the thread color. Now, the next thing created will be in this new color. Repeat this each time there is a different color to create in the design. With any design, you can view and modify all of the colors contained in that design by clicking on the Tools menu and then clicking on Show Hide Stitch Colors. A similar color palette will open that allows you to select any color in the design to change. You can also select your thread colors by thread brand. Simply select the brand of thread you want to use from the current palette drop-down list. The program will automatically match the color to the closest thread number of that brand. You can select a specific thread number by selecting it from the color drop-down list. When you have finished selecting your thread colors, click the small X in the top right corner of the window.